Eating with a mustache. This I know very well.
Difficulty eating with a mustache. For me, it's almost muscle memory now.
But you get used to it, it becomes second nature.
Eating with a mustache has absolutely changed everything about the way I eat.
So what are some tips to eat with a mustache?
Take my non-dominant hand, I'll take my left one, and I'll hook my index finger under and lift my whole head up.
I do just the lift and eat.
Just take your fingers and part it. Maybe make a knife hand, push the mustache up.
Definitely when it's styled, it helps a lot keeping the hairs out of the mouth.
Style the mustache up so that you style the hairs away from your mouth.
If you have a mustache, you gotta kind of take a step back, kind of think about what you're doing, think about what you're ordering.
Typically, you don't have a problem eating.
I've always been a big foodie, so I've always gone everywhere and just dug right in.
I used to just smash my face into a burger. That's not the way anymore.
Now that it's at such a length, I've just cut some foods completely out of my diet.
Think about what you're doing, think about what you're ordering.
Chicken wings with any kind of sauce on them, you can throw those out the window.
Greasy, messy meal.
When I'm out at a restaurant, I definitely get some attention from people.
Because it will just be all over the mustache.
But it's always going to be messy, and pretty much be prepared to wash your mustache. Enjoy your food. That's always what I say. Mustache is second, food's first. We love